Hey guys, welcome to week one of Hexter 4 of biology. Strangely, we're going to spend this week actually exploring two laws of physics. And those laws are the law of conservation of energy and the law of conservation of matter. Um, and essentially, we're going to spend this week exploring how those two laws affect and drive everything that happens in ecosystems. Um, so why start with physics in a biology class? And the answer is that everything that has ever or will ever happen in the universe is driven by and is the result of those two things, matter and energy. Okay, so we are going to talk about what those are and why they're important for ecology. Now, matter is the stuff of the universe. It's everything from galaxies to stars to humans to bacteria and even to all those atoms and molecules that make up all those things. Everything that is something is matter. Okay. And then that second piece is energy. And energy is the force in the universe that drives the matter around. It moves it influences, and it's what causes matter to do stuff and to change. And they make up everything in the universe. So they're important to everything, but especially in ecology. Ecology is a really good example of how energy and matter never disappear. They just recycle themselves and transform themselves. Um, so, for example, if a tree dies, it doesn't disappear. It's it's matter. It's nutrients essentially feed other things, or it's decomposed, and those nutrients go into the soil or into the atmosphere, and then they get turned into new things. They're used by other biotic and abiotic factors. And so, in a sense, one of the most important things we're going to learn in this unit is that essentially nothing ever dies. Every time something ends, even if that's a rock or a star or, something like a human, none of it disappears. Our energy and our atoms and molecules and stuff are just rearranged and transformed into something new, because nothing is ever destroyed. And conversely, nothing new is ever made, just rearranged and transformed. So we'll talk about how that relates to ecology in this first week and probably in the second week too. So as always, let me know if you need anything or have any questions, and have a great week. Bye-bye.